So due to some requests for additional examples of factoring difference of two squares, so I prepared here for examples. Okay, so number one, we're given 4x squared minus 25. So we can rewrite this. So first, let's rewrite this as 4 can be written as 2 squared, and then just copy x squared, minus 25 can be written as 5 squared. Okay, so remember, we have to make use of the form u squared minus v squared. So this is what we are going to produce in order for us to be able to follow the form of the factors. So if you can express the binomial in this way, difference of two squares, then the factors simply u minus v, the base of the first term minus the base of the second term, then multiplied by, so the same, we have u, we have v, but the middle term is plus. So these are the factors. Alright, so what we're going to do now is to express this givens into this form so that we just find what is u, what is v. Then after that, then follow this form for the factors. So for example, this number one, so we rewrite 4 as 2 squared. Then we just copy x squared. Then 25, we rewrite it as 5 squared, from the low exponents. And then now we can combine the first term. We can multiply the base. Alright, so 2x or 2 times x, then just copy the common exponent, which is 2. Common exponent is 2 minus 5 squared. So now we can identify what is our u. Okay, so in this case, our u is simply equal to 2x. Then our v here is equal to 5. So following this pattern, so the factors therefore are u minus v. So what is our u? U is 2x. Our v is 5, so minus 5. Okay, quantity or parenthesis. Then multiply this by the same, 2x. Then we have 5, but the middle here is positive. So these are the factors. Okay, how about this? So number 2, we can write this as 3 squared y squared. Then 100 can be written as 10 squared, right? Then combining this, multiply the bases. So 3y, then just copy the common exponent, which is 2 minus 10 squared. So now our u is simply 3y and our v is 10. So again, following this pattern, so we have u, which is 3y, minus v, which is 10, then multiplied by u, is 3y, then plus 10. So these are the factors. So that's how easy. Okay, so if you have any question, just leave your comments or your question in the comment section below. So I will solve this in our next video. Thank you.